and we're doing something involving
Only gaming! Only gaming!
That's his channel name, and he's my cousin. Ah! He almost hurt me.
Only gaming!
They might put comments of saying, I like when R&D Gaming put his face in the middle of the screen. He's trying to eat the Play-Doh! Ricky? He's a dog.
I am now.
Hey, those are... What do you think we should do in this video with Play-Doh?
Get it over the carpet.
What do you want to build? Pokemon?
Pokemon?
Pokemon.
Type in the comments how to say Pokemon and not Pokemon.
Pokemon.
Yeah.
Pokemon.
Please correct my cousin, my weird little cousin.
Pokemon.
My baby cousin.
Hey, you're going to have another baby cousin that has to be younger than me.
She said another! That means I'm right! Baby.
And he's going to be younger than you. Younger than me, I meant.
Of course, he's going to be younger than me. He's a baby.
And he'll be younger than me.
He's 1 second old.
Oh. I made a worm. We have to leave in a couple minutes.
Do you want to tell them why?
No.
Alright, good.
You tell them.
No, Molly. Okay.
Okay, we just had a conversation. Don't worry. It was just a little conversation.
Conversation where we're never telling you where we go.
Yeah.
We really need a better area. Oh no! I almost mixed it.
Oh. Do you like my studio, R&D Gaming? Do you like this big pink studio?
No.
You wish it was blue?
No.
What color do you wish it would be?
I don't know. Black and yellow.
That would be a bee color. Okay, what should we do with... Let's build Pokemon.
No, you don't even know how to build Pokemon.
I know how to build Pikachu.
No, you don't.
I will build him right now.
Alright, do it right
Give
now.
me all this yellow.
No, you need black and red.
I need yellow.
You need black and red.
I'm just using one color.
It's gonna look horrible and weird.
Let me roll up the balls.
She has no idea what that meant.
We're like Pat and Jen.
I'm sorry, what?
We're like Pat and Jen.
Except you're the lucky villager.
No! I'm Jen! That's why I'm so spooky!
What do you call... What does the other traffic light say to the other traffic light?
What?
What does the traffic light say to the other one?
Go.
Want me to tell you?
What?
Look away, I'm changing.
Oh. I thought you really said look away. So I can look away. I'm making Pokemon.
She's the worst.
Hey, don't say I'm the worst.
You're the definition of the worst.
Here we go. We squish these balls together so it looks like a snowman.
Now for the red.
Now for the yellow to make the
Guys! Ow.
little stubby arms.
I broke it.
What?
I broke it.
What did you break?
The can.
How? Where? Where? Show me.
Hey, should I lick this?
No.
I want to lick it.
My friend ate Play-Doh once. She ate it and swallowed it.
Oh!
Let me try a crumb.
That tastes...
I tried some.
Close the door.
Why?
You can hear them talking.
Okay, sorry guys that you can hear somebody else talking. Yeah.
That's our grandmother. Are you okay? You constipated?
My Pokemon looks like a snowman. Oh no, crap.
the computer.
Oh no, we've been facing it up the whole time. It's bad. Did you do that?
Maybe. You shouldn't have me around on bad luck.
Right.
You don't know.
I said I do now. Oh no. Oh, he's trying to eat the Play-Doh again. Are you a doggy?
I am now. Rough dog life.
Rough dog life? What does that mean?
She has no idea what I just said.
Rough dog life.
Yeah, totally not dog life. Put some shades on me. Just me sliding down.
Yeah, this is looking like a good Pokemon. Just have to add the mouth.
Show them. That looks like... I don't know what that looks like. That's awful.
Yeah, I built this awful. That's supposed to be Pikachu. I'm Pikachu.
Pikachu doesn't talk. Pokemon don't talk, except for mouth.
Oh, why did I add a mouth in? Get off, mouse.
I said mouth. He's another Pokemon.
Okay, I'm gonna break my Pokemon. I can't even look at it anymore. It's way too bad. I hate Pokey.
You heard it first here, folks. She hates Pokemon.
Hey,
next it's gonna go on news. It's like breaking news. This YouTuber, Shopkins something, hates Pokemon.
Hey, that's not my channel name. My channel name is Cupcake Studio Pooh.
Oh yeah, 'cause she loves Shopkins, as you can tell.
Cupcake Studios. Don't put the Play-Doh in.
I'm evil. Look at it.
Why did a Shopkin come in here?
You threw it, that's why. Boy.
Boy?
Love.
It's been 7 minutes.
Look at this.
Can
Look
we-
at this.
My dad said we could only have a video for 7 minutes. Okay.
Because you're constipated.
Hey, I follow his rules.
Do you even know what that means?
What?
I'm not telling her.
Hey, you're in 5th grade. I'm in 1st. I don't know anything.
I'm in 6th grade.
You're in 5th.
I'm in 6th. She doesn't know what grade her cousin's in.
Yeah, you're in 5th grade.
Not in 5th grade.
You liar. What do I build now? You took the yellow. And the blue. And the red. Give me the white. And the white. Give me the yellow though. I need one color.
I actually need this.
What color don't you need?
Red.
You don't need red?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'll use red then.
I'm making something.
To make a heart.
Yeah, keep it like that.
Okay, guys, I'm going to make something amazing. Let me squish. I'm going to mold it together. It might get mad at us because we're not showing them what we're molding. I'm going to go on the other side. I'm going to be the one by the wall. Walruses.
No, stop it.
Sorry, guys, walruses. Sorry, walruses.
No walls.
Sorry, cupcakes.
No walls. No walls. Swimming in the sea.
What? How?
Give me the white.
The woot. Coming right up. Just make the heart.
Look. I kind of want to mix this.
Okay, here we go. Let me try to mold this in peace now. Let me mold this in peace. I'm going to go and make it. Okay, I'm molding it in peace. Who am I? Who am I? Forgot.
You're Minnie Mouse.
No, what's my channel name?
Minnie Mouse? You actually forgot?
What is it?
Did you actually forget though?
Yes.
Cupcake Studios.
Oh! Cake Studios?
Give me the yellow. I actually got it right.
I'm molding a heart. I'm molding this heart together. Take that Play-Doh out so I have enough. Okay, I made a perfect. What are you even making? Ooh, it looks beautiful.
Oh.
I just asked him what it is. I do not know what it is. At least I don't know. Here's my heart. My worst heart in the world. It looks like a Mickey Mouse head. I better squish it. Squish! Oh my, what? Oh, I know what you're doing. The sky. Shh.
Not the sky.
I tried to guess. I didn't get it right.
Give me yellow.
I put a knee pad on me. This is my knee pad.
Yeah. Computer's turning off.
No, it's just getting black. Squish. I made a knee pad. I should. Be right back, guys. He'll take care of you guys. I have to go get something.
Oh no, we're in trouble. Guys, just dislike this video.
No.
Don't watch this video. Instead, go to OMD Gaming.
No, you're with it. You're involved in this, and I'm already back.
Oh no, guys, no, just turn off the video, turn off the computer, run away.
No.
Burn your computer.
I am making a perfect. I'm gonna make.
No, burn the computer.
I'm gonna make legs.
Guys,
I'm gonna make pants for my Barbie out of Play-Doh. That's gonna be a perfect idea. Red some pants. What? Red some pants? Okay, let me make these pants. I don't even know how to make pants, so this will go terrible. I don't want it to go terrible, but it's going to. I know it is already. I interact you more, don't I? I interact you more.
interact.
I involve this kind. This is not Ricky's. This is not R&D Gaming's channel. This is my channel, not his.
Channel.
Hey, it's my video.
I'm taking over this channel.
You're not. Take over other channels except mine.
No.
I'm cousin.
I know.
How could you?
How could I not?
How could you?
How could I not?
I'm still making these pants. When I came in, he was like, oh no, she's going to make something involving a Barbie. Which is correct. Correct. That is correct. I am going to make something involving a Barbie. That's what I had to go get, a Barbie. She's going to have long red pants. What are you even making? I'm guessing, thinking. These pants are going to go so well that I won't even think. Still making the pants to go to this. Oh, that's cute. It's the sky with some clouds and the sun. What? Are you quiet?
I have a mission!
Okay, now I'm going to use the white.
I wish I had a boat shape thing.
I have tools right here.
Oh, sweet. What is this supposed to be?
Huh? That is a lollipop maker. But the lollipop actual maker is outside. It's attached to that cake thing I have.
I'm hungry.
So you're going to eat it with a fork?
I need a knife.
There. Eat that. Eat a fork or a knife.
Look.
It's a dangerous idea, though. Cool. You're cutting your steak. Oh, that part cannot be there. I'm just wrapping this leg piece around. Now I need to wrap another piece, but it's gonna be white. These pants are coming out so good. I love these pants so much.
Quick, someone take a photo, a sailboat.
Oh, it is a sailboat. I like that. Can you say you're welcome? I like it.
I need this.
Hey, I need that.
I need it more.
I'll just use this to roll it out. I need this to roll out some
We should make a baking video with Play-Doh.
Yeah, that should be a good idea one day. Can I use one of the halves? I need one of those halves. Can I take this one?
No.
Which one? I'm gonna. I guess I'll just.
Here you go, little Timmy.
I'm not little Timmy. Who do you think I am here?
Little Timmy.
It's already 4:33. You know.
Mhm.
You're late.
Me?
Yeah.
Why?
Cause
I don't have karate.
why not?
Because I'm not going.
Why don't you want to?
By the way, guys, I've been in karate for like
7 years.
8.
I need that roll.
Well, I've been in it for 8. It's a new year, 2016.
Oh, yeah.
Remember?
Are you almost done with that? I really need it to make these pants. It's me half pants, half shorts. This is gonna look really good when I'm done. There we go. Dislike this video if you don't like it. I think I did a good job. Who thinks I did a good job?
You did a worst job ever in mankind.
Mankind, but not girl kind. The girls would think she looks beautiful.
Let's all be honest here. Nobody will.
She's spooky. Ah, blonde.
Hold on. I have to do some stuff.
Be right back.
Wait, is she coming? No, wait, Molly, come here. If you go outside, then your dad's gonna see you and make you go to karate.
Okay.
That's the trick. No, I don't know.
What are you doing to her beautiful face? Can I cut something out? Can I cut a circle out?
Oh, tell them about the comment where it said, "Do you know Ricky?"
Yeah, there was a comment that said, "Do you know a boy named Ricky?" And I have to find which video they put it on, and then click on their symbol and see if they have a YouTube channel, and then say I'm gonna put a comment in, and I'm gonna say, yes, I know a boy named Ricky. Yeah.
Did you get it stuck?
Yeah, a little. Kind of. It looks like a little candy. Aww, so cute.
Bye,
Look how
Molly.
cute this little candy is. Look how cute this little candy is. That's so cute. What is this candy? Okay. Doing this, do this. Ooh. Oh. Okay. Let's do it. Oh my God! She has a ghost on her face. Oh. Good thing it's more light in here.
Oh no, Molly!
Hmm.
You stuck these together.
Oh, it's okay though.
It's not okay. Look.
Oh no, some of the Play-Doh dried up in here. This Play-Doh ought to dry.
Oh, Molly, look.
Ugh.
Alright, guys.
I'm gonna use the extruder to do this job.
This might be the end of the video.
What? No, I want to show them something. So look, we get some Play-Doh, put it here, and then we get this thing, and then do this and push out a worm.
Okay.
None's coming out, you know.
I know. Hold on. How do you put it in? Oh, like this.
Let me shoot some of this out. I'm gonna make a cute little candy. Look how cute this is. So cute. This kitty. Did you know this video's been 20 minutes?
I know, most videos are 22.
Oh yeah, I saw one that was 25. I did one that was 45.
Nobody watched it.
Why not?
Because it's so long.
You didn't even post it yet.
I know. It take forever to post too. 45 minutes.
Can you post the one with me and
Our director
Marzo?
is here right now. Our director is here.
Yep. The director is my dad.
So we get like free stuff.
He's the one who set up this big pink board. He bought it and then put it together. There's little stations in the back where I put things.
Alright guys, you ready for this? Let's do this. It's so hard.
Oh, that's a big worm.
Yeah.
Daddy, I made a Pokemon.
Look how long that is, Molly!
Ah! I've never seen one that long. Daddy, look what he put on. I made pants on the board.
Really?
I molded pants together and put them on. I'm gonna make some more pants. I know this will go terrible. Ugh. Oh, that's a lot of Play-Doh. I want to make these pants to show the director what it looks like to put a pants on her. If this is putting pants on a Barbie, look at this. So you mold them together. I need the knife, please. You stick it together like this. Wait, no. I have to get something. We get this and this. Whoops. So we need this, a plate. Put this on here. We roll it out. This should roll out like this. And we roll it out more like that. And then, we don't really need that. And then the leg that's out, wrap it around like that.
Molly, what Play-Doh do you have? What
Those are-
colors?
I have blue, yellow, white, and red.
Where does this go today?
And I have this. See, look. Ricky,
Yeah?
are you being their attention for the video?
Yeah, totally.
Good. Because I'm crazy.
And you just figured that out?
Yeah, they just figured it out that I'm crazy.
Hey,
why
I need the Play-Doh.
Huh?
I need the Play-Doh.
I am holding it.
I need,
Why are you putting all the things away?
because we're going to go soon. Like, you're going to go soon.
Hey, why do we have to clean up?
Because do you want to get the Play-Doh dry and have no more?
No, we're still playing with the dough.
You gotta get ready.
Not yet.
Where's the Play-Doh? Is that it?
Yeah, but let me do something real quick. Let me cut out something with this.
Molly, wrap this up.
I'm doing something. No. I am not. No, don't erase it.
Wrap it up.
Let me just do something. Let me get this out. I need one. I need that like lollipop tool.
Should I,
What?
give her what she wants?
What?
A lollipop toy?
Tool.
Cool.
How long she got so upset because she couldn't make that Minecraft heart.
That one.
You were so mad.
I know, it's crying. Turn off the video, Ricky.
Hey, Molly.